Anyway, just watering my vegetables. I've planted some spinach, some beetroots and some carrots in here, and over here I've just got some herbs down here and some parsley, some carrots and some chilies here. I did have snow peas, but they didn't unfortunately survive, so we'll have to have a look at what else we can plant in here. So we're trying to grow our own vegetables and some herbs here, because as you know, things are getting very expensive at the shops. We're actually not doing too badly. So once everything has grown a little bit, it'll be interesting to do some cooking. I've done quite a bit of cooking with the chilies. They're lemon chilies, and they're actually really nice. They're sort of like a spicy medium chili, and they're really quite nice to work with. The carrots are nearly ready, lots of parsley, and we've used the spinach. The other day I made a goat's cheese, balsamic onion and pumpkin with some of the spinach bruschetta, which was really, really lovely. So that was really, really nice. Anyway, just thought I'd say hi. The vegetables are doing well, so talk to you soon.